you say Zack Attack?
Yeah. Name of the lure.
Name of the lure? All right, we got our planers down. We're gonna get some mahi going too. Nice little rat. All right, guys, we had a good day out there planer fishing, and what I hope to do is show you guys some of the basics of, you know, for beginners for planer fishing here. Guys, we got some bonito, we got some kingfish, and we went offshore and got some mahi. Let's get to the video. I'll show you some basics. It's always amazing to me those planers don't fall off.
Well, I'm not going to say I've never lost one, because I will.
I know.
Got it on a line marker.
300 feet.
If it doesn't set by itself, I'll set it. So there's my mark. So it
did not set. There it goes. Captain Mike's got the system. That's just a bonita strip on a like a purple and black sea witch.
Yep, with some underdressing. Yep.
With underdressing. This is the bigger planer. This is the number 8. There it is, baby. Always have the weight pointed towards the boat when you try to set this thing up. A couple times I tried to set it up the other way and it doesn't really work.
Doesn't work that well.
Yeah. Physics has different ideas.
Waiting for that thing to go off.
Oh yeah.
I expect, you know, quick action here for you guys.
Quick action. I like it. I like it. Yeah. George, you ready to go, baby?
I'm ready.
Let's get it, man. All right.
Got the good bend. And just so you guys know, I have safety straps on here.
Yep.
With the boys from Texas, one of them almost lost when he dove and he caught it. He said, well, I had a safety strap on. So.
Okay.
And the clicker's on, so if we do get a fish, you'll hear something like that. But I don't want these drags too tight. If we get a monster hit, it'll break the line.
Yeah.
So just keep an eye on that.
Yep.
Let me check this.
Sweet. Did you say Zack Attack?
Yeah. Name of the lure.
Name of the lure? All right, we got our planers down. We're gonna get some mahi going too. Let's go, baby. How far back, Mike?
Pretty far back, because I don't want to have any
Got it. Yep. Not big.
two at a time.
That's not big. Oh, hold on. He wants to tug all of a sudden?
Go ahead and put it back in there.
All right.
Pissed off fish, bro.
Yeah, he's mad, bro. He's mad. I think we got a couple bonita. I think we got bonitas. We'll keep them, man. Okay.
Oh, same thing. Dang.
Yep.
Just when I sat down, eat my grapefruit.
That's how it works. All right.
You'll have to turn it on the dash there.
How deep? 180.
Hit the home button in the middle. On the right hand.
Yeah, we'll take that. I might even make some strips.
Yeah.
That planer pop? It sure did. We'll take care of it, Mike. It's a bony fest. I don't think so. No, there's no fish. Reel it in. Yeah, we got sliced.
Alright, I'll look at this one.
Yep.
I'll take care of that.
Yep. Always do weight towards the boat. This thing goes through this little tiny swivel right here. If I can get it. All right. Then there's another tiny little swivel up here. Planer's on. Then we just release it. He's got the reels marked where he wants them to go out. All right, so the planer didn't pop. So one way you can do it is you can just pull back on the line like this and let it snap, and bam. Got the black tape to mark where it should be. That's the bait, baby. I got you, Cap. You put it in a rod holder. You ever do the lasso?
The lasso?
Let me show you. Oop, if I can get this on.
You mean with the planer, with the cord?
What, to get the planer to catch.
Oh, you mean just pull the line?
Pull the line?
Yeah. I just don't like, I generally don't like grabbing braid.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean? Because
yeah.
if you got bit right while you were doing that, you could get it.
You could.
So I'm just
just
a little squirrely about it.
Yeah, you put it on your fingertip.
Yeah, you have to, you hold the blade. I just don't like doing it bare hands.
There it goes. Oh, there's a fish on there. Yep. It's not big. Could be a bonita.
Walk back.
Yep. Yeah, my sea monster. I haven't felt a head shake yet. No, yeah, there's a fish. Oh, there's a fish. He's tugging. He's got some strips on him.
Yeah, George? I got pliers, or you got to hug him?
Go for it.
Man, you messed up my little rig.
Messed up the strip. Oop.
You want texture?
I'm a good. But you don't mind if we keep this, do you?
For bait or whatever?
No, oh yeah. Okay. Fish box over here.
Yeah.
Thomas, this is for you, buddy. Shark bait. Woo-ha. Get in there. Okay.
And then the boat will stay in.
Got it. Yeah, that's fish. That's a fish. All right, George, let's go, buddy boy. You got this, boy. Get that planer in. I'll get the weeds off. There you go, fish. Go ahead. Yeah. He's bouncing a little bit. He's a fast fish. It's a fish. Oh, wait. Get away from there. I think it's a bonita, but he was going towards the engine. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, he's a flipper. You can flip him in. There we go.
Look at that.
Yep.
They're fat, that's for sure.
He is. Well, buddy boy.
Up to you. You want to keep him there?
Oh yeah, he's in the pot, baby. Bonitas are. Oh yeah. Okay, you want a picture with him, or you? What do you think? Here, look at that. Look at that. It's bonita time.
Throw him in the box there.
Yep. They're ready. You got that?
Yep.
All right. Oh, that's just heavier. Yeah, it's heavier. He's spinning.
Yeah, we know, you know. He's swimming around back here now.
Don't let him wake up.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stand up now. Let's fight the fish.
I think you're going to be okay without pulling any other lines in.
Oh. Yeah, the wind down got caught in the eye. He's spinning, whatever it is. Yeah. I'll walk back. Oop. Kingfish. All right. That's a good king. That's a gaffer. Okay.
You want to do anything with them or throw them back?
I'll get it. Yep. I'll get it. I'm just gonna get a little video here. All right, guys. Nice little rat. Chill, homie. You gonna make some dip, baby? Nice little king. Okay. We'll get him in the box here. Yeah, buddy. We're fishing. Yeah!
Just don't do anything. Just don't do anything.
Yeah, baby.
Let that roll, man.
Oh, that's a king right there, baby. Maybe.
Stop. Just don't do anything wrong. We got plenty of lines.
Oh yeah. Oh, we got double. We got double.
Get this out of the way.
Yep.
I don't want to hurt anybody.
Oh, this one came off. Okay. Yeah, this one came off. Yeah, just nice and easy. Nice and steady. Yeah.
Put us on heading hold.
Yeah, I got him. Did it not do that? Thought I hit you.
Maybe you did. I put it in the line.
No, I didn't.
We got all the lines in. No rush. Play the line. Keep the line tight. You don't have to horse them.
That's a heavy planer. You should untrip it.
How do you untrip it? You know how to do it?
Yeah, go like this.
Same way?
Yep, go on.
Dang, man. Watching me work?
What?
Yeah, I learned something every day.
There we go.
I'm not too proud. A little more drag. Yeah, a little bit. I don't want to do too much.
Yeah, buddy. Heck yeah, man.
I'm going to slow the boat down even more.
Yep.
Now we're idling. It's going to take a while, but we got all the...
What on earth? Dude, you got half that spool out, buddy. You got a lot of work to do.
George
George has got a lot of work, man.
See, you didn't need to go to the gym today, George.
Real fast.
Now watch the line going on there. You got to use your thumb and move it across, back and forth, because you don't want it to all build up in one spot. Okay, real fast as you can. If he's coming.
Did he come off?
He might have come off.
No.
I am not feeling a target at all.
Fast, go fast. If he's
coming right at the boat.
If he's running at the boat.
Yeah, if he's running at the boat. Yeah, I got you.
He might be.
No, I don't know. I'm not feeling it.
Dog.
Doggy.
Doggy.
Just keep going.
Yeah.
As fast as you can. You can put it in the rod holder if that helps.
No. Yeah, give me it.
Just keep going. So if you can get line, get line.
Hey, he came off. Dog on it. Well, guys, that is the way the cookie crumbles. I don't know what George had, but it took half of a spool of a TLD 25. So, and that was on a flat line too. It was not a planer. So, yeah, he took a couple hundred yards of line. So
that was on the Zac Attack.
That was on the Zac Attack lure. Okay.
Extra small smoker.
All right.
Zac Attack.
Back at it, boys. The lure is still on. He didn't cut the line. Captain, what's your analysis? Just pull the hook?
Yeah, pull the hook. It's coming. He just came out of the fish's mouth.
Show me that lure now. This is a color.
Zac Attack super small.
Zac Attack super small.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the deal. There we go.
Yep.
Back out.
Back in gear, guys.
Back in gear. Here we go.
Back after him.
Doggy.
Fish in the ocean.
That's a fish. That's a fish. I like that.
Drive over that direction.
Drive over what?
Aim the boat that way.
Yep. Get him on the right side.
Is it come on there, George?
Real hard. It's all right. That's good. The bonies are popping, baby. Did everything pop? You got a fish.
Did it pop?
It popped. Oh no. The knot came out. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna get to filleting these fish. We'll have a good time. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, watch your lip.